After a few days of browsing the industrial markets looking for cheap linear rails, and other ridiculous things, we went to visit SIBOOR. SIBOOR are a relatively new entrant to the voron kit space. Their voron kits rapidly established a presence within the Chinese domestic market and are now becoming significantly more popular internationally. SIBOOR have a lot of expertise in sourcing high quality components while still being able to be some of the lowest cost kits out there. Without further ado, let's go. So over here we've got our mini showroom with some printed parts and printers. The corner, these are printers that they're working on or testing. There's 2.4s, Tridents and V0s over here. In this room, this is the office where Slipper and Zhu work. There's Slipper's V0. These are all the motherboards that they're testing and confirming work before they're shipped out. Over here we've got another V0 and the new switch wire kit which has just been released. In here we've got voron 2.4 and Tridents which are getting shipped out today. We have a look over here, these are the ABS printed parts for the V0.1, and on the floor I believe these are CNC parts for the V0.1 as well. This room here is the office where the customer service staff work. There's purchasing, an Alibaba, AliExpress and Taobao service. These are more 2.4 and Trident kits. These are all 2.4s that are ready to ship. They're just checking off that everything is in the boxes before they pack them up and send them. We go into this room. This is the main warehouse where all of the products are. That shelf is the Ender 3 switch wire. These here are mostly 2.4 and Trident. Over here we've got printed parts for the 2.4 and Trident. Their print farm is off-site, but they're all shipped here for shipping on to the customer. Over here we've got more parts, which I believe are for the 2.4 and Trident. These are all the boxes that they ship the products out in. These are the 0.2 kits, which are being finalised and ready to ship soon. In this room, this is where most of the spare parts are, individual parts that aren't necessarily in kits or upgrades. This here is also where lots of the smaller orders are packed and shipped. There's a variety of parts in here. These here are PEI sheets. We've got thermistors and heaters as well. I think that's pretty much everything. It was really great visiting SIBOOR and touring their warehouse. Stay tuned for the next video in the series where we visit Formod. I've also got a review of the SIBOOR voron 0.2 kit coming along soon, so if you don't want to miss it, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you to SIBOOR for letting us visit, and thank you for watching.